Hey guys, it's Miss McGuinn. I want to give you a tutorial on the standard algorithm, but using with a 2-digit by 2-digit number. So this is the standard algorithm with 2-digit by 2-digit number. So here we're going to stack our numbers on top of each other, larger one on top. And now here I am, I'm starting. I'm going to start in the ones place. So I'm going to think about 5 times 3. This is in my ones place. So I'm going to pretend like this 6 is not here right now. And just think about 5 times 3 and 3 times 7. All right, so here we go. 5 times 3 is 15. And again, well, that marker doesn't work. And then again, if I did not know what that was, we can't see that one either. Oh, good gosh, let me just come back here. All right, so 5 times 3 is 15 plus my 1. I had to regroup it over here. So again, I'm still thinking that this 6 is not even here. Now, 3 times 7 gives me 21, plus 1 more gives me 22. So I'll put that here. I'm done with this 3, so I'm going to cross it out, and I'm going to bring down my placeholder, which is going to be a 0. I'm going to bring down this 0, because now I'm not starting in the ones place, I'm actually starting in the tens place. So that's why I have this placeholder right here in the ones place to hold that, because I'm going to start my answer in the tens place. So now I'll start here. 5 times 6 gives me 30. Put my 0. And I don't need this 1 I regrouped. I'm going to now regroup a 3, right? And then 7 times 6 is 42, plus 3 more, 43, 44, 45. And then I put that here, making sure that I keep my places lined up. Now, 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 4, I'll bring that right down to give me 4,725. Let's try another one. All right, so here we go. I'm going to say 73 times 42. Let's try that. All right, so again, I'm going to start 73 and 42. It doesn't matter if the 42 or the 73 is on top. Either way, my answer will come out correct, but I just like to practice keeping my larger number on top. I start right here and with 3 times 2. Remember that right now we're thinking that this 4 is not here. Just start with 3 times 2. And then 3 times 2 gives us 6. And now I come over and I'm doing 7 times 2, which gives me what? 14. Well, there's no other place to regroup, so I'm just going to put my 14 right here. I'm erasing it so it doesn't get too messy. All right, so this is a 2. So now I'm finished in the ones place right here with this 2, so I'm going to cross it out. Bring down what's called my placeholder. I'm bringing down my placeholder here, which is a 0 to hold that place, because I'm not starting in the ones. I'm starting in the tens. All right, so now I'm here at 4 times 3, which is 12. So I put my 2 here, and then I need to regroup that 1. Now, this is just me. That's why I'm kind of erasing it, because I want you to see where I'm going. Now I have 7 times 4 plus that 1. But let's start with 7 times 4 gives me 28. Plus 1 more gives me 29. And then I'm going to make sure everything's lined up. 6, 6, 10. Regroup my 1. Gives me 3. Now again, if you do not know how to do any of your multiplication, you can always skip count by whichever number. I could have skip counted by 4 or skip count by 7, any of those things. But this is just a quick tutorial on doing the standard algorithm for a 2-digit by a 2-digit number. Thanks.